Hi guys, look at this question. It is 14 to the power 20 upon 28 to the power 10. Let's see how do we simplify it. Now this 14 to the power 20 can be written as 14 to the power 10 plus 10 upon 28 to the power 10. Now as you know that a to the power m plus n can be written as a to the power m into a to the power n. So just split this 14 to the power 10 as 14 to the power 10 into 14 to the power 10 upon 28 to the power 10. So you can write it as 14 to the power 10 into 14 to the power 10 upon 28 to the power 10. Further, you can write it as 14 to the power 10 upon 28 to the power 10 into 14 to the power 10. As you know that a to the power m upon b to the power m can be written as a upon b whole to the power m. Now 14 to the power 10 and 28 to the power 10 can be written in a single bracket with the power 10 into 14 to the power 10. Now this 14 and this 28 get cancelled, so you get 1 upon 2 whole to the power 10 into 14 to the power 10. Further, you can write it as 14 to the power 10 upon 2 to the power 10. Now, as you know that a to the power m upon b to the power m can be written as a upon b whole to the power m. So you can write this in a single bracket, that is 14 upon 2 whole to the power 10. Now this 2, this 14 get cancelled, so you get 7 upon 7 to the power 10, and this is our required answer.